Beauty Freelancing Career Kickstart Campaign Part 5. The 10 essential skills every beauty freelancer should have. Being a beauty freelancer requires more than just knowing how to create stunning makeup looks. To succeed in this competitive industry, there are several essential skills that every beauty freelancer should possess. In this video, we will discuss the 10 skills that are crucial for success as a beauty freelancer. Number 1. Technical proficiency. A deep understanding of makeup techniques, product knowledge, and application method is essential for a beauty freelancer. Number 2. Creativity. The ability to think outside the box and come up with unique and innovative makeup looks is a valuable skill that sets freelancers apart. Number 3. Client communication. Excellent communication skills are necessary to understand clients' needs, offer professional advice, and ensure client satisfaction. Number 4. Time management. Being able to manage time effectively is crucial when juggling multiple clients and projects. Number 5. Self-motivation. As a freelancer, you are responsible for your own success. Self-motivation and discipline are essential for staying focused and achieving goals. Number 6. Marketing and self-promotion. Knowing how to market oneself, build a strong brand, and attract clients through effective self-promotion is vital. Number 7. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to different situations, client preferences, and changing trends is crucial in this fast-paced beauty industry. Number 8. Problem solving. Being able to troubleshoot and find solutions to challenging situations or unexpected issues is a valuable skill. Number 9. Business and financial management. Understand basic business principles, managing finances, and keeping track of expenses and income is essential to sustain success. Number 10. Continuous learning. The beauty industry is constantly evolving. A willingness to stay updated to the latest trends, techniques, and products is crucial for growth and staying competitive. So, by developing these essential skills, beauty freelancer can enhance their professional capabilities, attract clients, and build a successful career in the beauty industry.